Hi, my name is Simon Wilkinson, owner and founder of Digital Arc, a Colchester-based web design and web hosting business. We help clients achieve their objectives and offer a professional service with sensible pricing. This series of free video resources is aimed for people who are absolute beginners to guide them through all the steps they need to do to choose and select web hosting, a domain name, to purchase it, and ultimately to actually get a website published online. Now, if you've been following this series, we've already gone through what is a domain name, what is a web host, what is web hosting, how to choose a domain name, and how to choose a web hosting package. Now we start getting to the real interesting ones: how to buy a domain name and web hosting online. In this tutorial, I will take you through the actual steps of purchasing a domain name and web hosting using the Digital Arc secure online e-commerce platform. So, lesson 5, how to buy a domain name and web hosting. What you will learn is how to buy a domain and how to buy web hosting. I am now going to show you how easy it is to purchase your domain name and hosting using our fully secure website. First of all, take your browser to www.digitalarc.co.uk, and on our homepage you'll see there's a choice to either go for our hosting at the menu or this box over here on the right of the page where it says more info under web hosting. Click on those and that will take you to our web hosting page, and here you will see details of our packages: Web Starter, Web Plus and Web Max, each payable monthly, or you can pay an annual fee, which works out the equivalent of 10 monthly payments. If you scroll down, you'll see that there's information about the features of each of our web hosting packages. Anyway, I'm going to choose to go buy now, and that takes you to the shopping cart on our site, and in here type in the domain name you wish to register. I'm going to put in one which is 2page website. Very important, check to make sure you've typed the domain name you want, because once you've registered, gone through the automatic registration, you will not be able to change it. This drop down allows you to select the type of suffix you want. I'm going to leave it as all, so it returns all the domain names that are currently available to register for 2page websites. And here you'll see these are the ones which are available, going down with .cc, .me, .uk, .org.uk. The one I'm interested in is the .com one, because I want this to be an international website, so you check to say that's the one I'd like to add to the basket. And if you go down, you'll see there's a bit at the bottom which says domains available to transfer. All the domains listed here have already been registered and are currently not available. So if you was looking for the .co.uk version, you can see that it's not available. Anyway, we've checked the .com version. I'm going to click Add Domains to Basket, and then this will add the domain to the basket. The next step is hosting packages. Now, if this screen doesn't come up, because sometimes it doesn't, you can select Order Web Hosting by clicking the menu bar on the side, and this will allow you to link web hosting to the domain name you wish to register. If you go down, you'll see there's the different pay monthly options and again the annual options. We also offer discounts for charitable and Christian purposes, so if you qualify you can choose one of these websites at a reduced rate. I'm going to use the £2.49 web hosting. Go to the bottom and click Add to Basket. Now it's going to give me a couple of other options around domain privacy. That's for .com domain names normally, if you don't want your name to appear on the register, and personalized secure server. You don't need to worry about either of these unless you're an advanced user. So click No thank you, please continue with my order. And now in your basket you'll see you've got a global domain name, and then you've got the hosting Web Starter monthly. Now it also includes free domains for UK, a UK domain. If I registered a .co.uk or .org.uk, then that would be free with this web hosting package, and the price for the domain would actually be zero. So if you are looking to register a .co.uk domain, the only charge you will pay each month will be £2.49 if you choose WebStarter. So now if we continue to the checkout, this is the 3 steps you need to do. It's 3 simple steps to finish your purchase. Now mine comes back as already pre-populated because I've obviously purchased through my website before. However, as a new user you will need to complete these details. Once completed, you click next, and what will happen is it will give you your basket so you can review it for one last time to make sure you're happy, and again make sure the web address is correct, and then click to say you accept the terms and conditions. And if you want to read them, you can click on this hyperlink and then click complete order, and then this will take you through to step 3, which allows you to check out by PayPal. Now if you haven't got a PayPal account, it doesn't matter, because you can use PayPal and then enter your card details securely. So I'm going to check out via PayPal, so I put in my PayPal address and password and click login. This will then come back, review your payment, make sure you're happy, and if you are, click agree and pay. And what will happen is the order will be processed, your payment has been completed, you're now being redirected to, well, it says Simon Wilkinson because I'm the owner of Digital Arc. And there we go. So the purchase is complete. You're now the proud owner of a domain name and web hosting. Now what will happen is an automated email will be sent to you with all the details of your account, how to access your control panel, and what you need to do to set stuff up. You can view the customer centre here, view your invoice, and you can print and download the invoice all from this screen. I'll just quickly show the customer centre. If in the future you ever want to upgrade or change anything on your account, you can log into this screen through our website or through the control panel, and it will allow you to make the appropriate changes. If you have any questions while doing this purchase, or you need any advice, do not hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. So in summary, to buy your domain and web hosting, go to www.digitalarc.co.uk, click the link to the hosting details page, either from the menu at the top or the one which is under our web hosting service. Select, have a look at the packages available and click buy now. This will take you through to the secure shopping cart where you type in the domain name you wish to register, click search, click on the domain name, add it to the basket, choose the web hosting package you want, add that to the basket, and then check out securely using PayPal. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please just drop us a line. It's simon@digitalarc.co.uk.